Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to prove about this one. So for the first one, we have the formula in here. Secant of s, that is about 1 over cosine s. Now we need to transform this one into this one. And we have sine s over cosine s, and that is about tan s, and this is the answer. Question number 2, we use the same technique, and the next one, cotang s, that is about cosine s over sine s. So we need to transform this one into this one. Secant of s, that is about this one. Now this one multiplied by this one. So cosine s we simplified. Next, sine s we can do common denominator. Now 1 minus cosine s multiplied by cosine s plus 1. We have 1 minus cosine s squared. So we have the formula in here. So I will put cosine s squared go to the right. And we have 1 minus cosine s squared. So we need to transform this one into this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.